Check this out. Telling you there's some good eating right here. I ain't never tried it, but I'm gonna try it because it's a Magnum ice cream. I think the Magnum is good. So we're gonna try it though. This is an almond duet. Like it got the vanilla with a little stripe in it, then it got a little dark chocolate. You know, if you like dark chocolate and milk chocolate, it goes together. You know what I'm saying? But let's check it out. It's smaller, you know what I'm saying? You know, it's 3 in a pack though. So let's see why it's just 3 in a pack, because it got to be good. Come on now. The chocolate is thick on this joint. It's not that bad. I didn't get to the almonds part yet, but if you like them chocolate, this the one. Let's check out the other one. Now we're gonna go to the Häagen-Dazs. You know what I mean? It got that toffee and the nuts is almond. Yeah, big nuts. So we can check them out. Ew, look at the package. Looks similar. See, but this is toffee. Let's try it out. When you're eating Häagen-Dazs, put your pinky out. Let's check. Now this eating for the fancy right here. This toffee with the almonds. Lord, how much? This is good. Oh yeah, this is good. So let's see how it tastes together. Tastes good. Go check them out. Magnum and Häagen-Dazs.